Hello everyone, summer, Rooh Afza and cute glasses. Perfect combo, but are these tumbler really worth it? Let's unbox. Today I am unboxing this Mare Samuels Tumbler Set, 6 pieces glassware set, and packaging looks neat and safe, perfect for gifting too. Wow. These glasses look so elegant and classy. Love this transparent finish and design, simple but very stylish. A full set of 6, perfect for family use or guest. Let's make something refreshing, summer special Rooh Afza drink and serving in this beautiful glasses instantly make it look more refreshing. Presentations matter and these glasses really upgrade the vibes. Let's see how kids like it. They are loving it. Summer drink to feel more fun in cute glassware, perfect for family time and small gathering. My honest review: elegant and simple design, good quality glasses, perfect size for juice, summer drink, and great for daily uses and guests. Totally add a classy touch to your kitchen. If you love serving drink in style, this set is a great pick. Follow for more home lifestyle review and comment your favorite summer drink. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you. Thank you for watching my video.